Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! It's been a long time since huli akong nag-vlog and I'm so glad to be back! So today is my first day of high school and I'm really excited. And also, today is my first day as a Scienista. I'm really excited to start this new journey, meet new friends, and learn new things. So, tara, samahan niyo ako as I get ready for my first day. So, nakaligo na ako guys and I'm gonna put moisturizer na lang. Then, gonna put a simple look. Yun lang and ita-time lapse ko na lang po to. Bye! So, okay na tayo. Then, so, curly talaga yung buhok ko, guys. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo sa look ko. Diba? Simple lang talaga siya. Then, I'm going to put my uniform already. Be right back. Fit check, guys. Ready na.